welcome back to another video. Alright, 2 hands are free. Anyways, I get this started. My guard might not be able to see this. It's super satisfying once you guys can. I'm gonna do that crunchy thing again, so it's so satisfying. Sorry for singing, this song's kind of copyright. Okay, for sure. And now you guys probably can see the swirl, but you guys can hear it. And that's the thing with satisfying videos, right? You don't see the swirl, you just hear it. So, make it everything to yourself. Oh, they could have put that too far. It didn't really work. I'm so nervous. Three, two. Well, see you guys. Bye.